Welcome back to my channel, everyone, and today we'll be making some lemongrass Seamoss lemonade. Yes, that's a long name. So we'll be using some fresh lemongrass, making it into a tea, and then using some Seamoss gel to make this awesome lemonade. Good morning, y'all. It's certainly a beautiful day to make some lemongrass Seamoss lemonade. Let's start by cutting some fresh lemongrass. I have this tree or this plant right in my backyard, so it's easy to get my fever grass. So next, I'm going to go ahead and cut it up and wash it. But before I do so, I have to show you how my grandma taught me to wrap it to make the tea. So that's how Jamaican people usually wrap their fever grass to make the tea, but I'll be cutting it up today. So we're cutting it up into small pieces. I feel like with more surface area being exposed, I will extract more of the fever grass flavor. I pour some water over it, I wash and I strain. Because it's coming from outside, we have to ensure that we wash it. And then I put it aside. Then I place some water to boil on the stove, and once the water has come to a boil, I then add my fever grass. And then I let it boil for 2 minutes. I take it off and let it steep for 5 minutes. Now, once it has been steeped, I go ahead and strain it off, and right now I have all the fever grass flavor into this liquid. I'm going to add my Seamoss gel right now. Okay, so you can get my Seamoss gel recipe on the link above. I'll be also posting it in the description box below. Alright, so I add my Seamoss gel now so it can dissolve into this hot liquid while it's hot, right? Then I add my sugar as well, because then the sugar can dissolve better into this. Alright, now I'm going to add some fresh lemon juice. I squeeze that in. This really complements the lemongrass, because after all, it's named lemongrass. It tastes like lemon. It has some lemonness to it. We mix it to ensure that everything has been combined, the sugar and everything. And I still have a little bit sugar leaving in my bowl, so I'm just going to add some water to this. Yeah, shake it out, and then I add it to my fever grass mixture. And I needed to add some more water, and it's easy. You're done just like that. How simple to make some refreshing and healthy juice. Remember, Seamoss is so healthy. It has 92 minerals. It helps with decreasing the mucus in our body, help us to manage our weight, and fever grass has a lot of benefits as well. So combined, this is a powerhouse drink. So delicious. Now, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching, and one love all the way from Jamaica.